On our trailer units, this is the working end, effectively. This is where material enters the machine. We have our patented feed hopper assembly that lowers to the ground, where the frame of this hopper makes contact with the ground. That's important when you're backing a truck up to it or anything to that effect, making sure that your rubber and everything is low enough that it doesn't make contact with that truck. Inversely, if you're loading with heavy equipment, something on site, versus having the feed hopper wings all the way down like you would for a truck, you can lock them up in this partially folded position. That allows for material to better funnel down to the feed belt and then up out of the hopper. We recommend not going any larger than 4-inch minus for your material. Designed it to handle a little more, but as far as your customers or who you're working for is concerned, 4-inch minus. Every dump bed's got some variations, to say the least. If it's an air ride truck, we typically recommend that driver to keep his bags inflated, keep the elevation of the truck up in the air. But you're looking at tandem axle dump trucks, quads. My rule of thumb is if I'm coming onto a new site with a new customer, I ask the question of the drivers, have you ever backed into an asphalt laydown machine? 9 times out of 10, if it works, truck works for a laydown machine, it's gonna work just fine for our hopper. So kind of a nuance of our feed conveyor design, if you're running native, something that's bulkier and has some thicker material to it, you can raise the feed hopper up into this raised position, keeping your wings closed so you get that nice funnel down onto the feed belt. That opens up the exit point from under the hopper so that the feed belt has a larger opening to be able to get more material up the belt, making it easier running native, kind of chunkier type materials.